Click on the link below to get price. The Purple Leaf Patio Dining Chairs set of 4 offers a modern solution for outdoor dining, blending aesthetics with functionality in a contemporary design. Ideal for those looking to enhance their outdoor spaces, this set is suited for various settings, whether it's a garden, patio, or balcony. Upon first glance, the chairs exhibit a sleek wicker design that is both stylish and practical. The woven material presents a textured look, adding visual interest while ensuring durability. Each chair is crafted to withstand outdoor elements, providing a reliable seating option for outdoor gatherings. The overall construction feels solid, which is essential for any patio furniture meant to endure frequent use. One notable feature of the Purple Leaf chairs is their ergonomic design. Each chair is thoughtfully shaped to provide comfort during extended periods of sitting, making them suitable for leisurely meals or social gatherings. The armrests are appropriately positioned, allowing for a relaxed seating posture. Additionally, the chairs come with removable cushions that add an extra layer of comfort. The cushions are designed with a fade-resistant fabric, ensuring they maintain their appearance even after prolonged exposure to sunlight. In terms of maintenance, these chairs are relatively easy to care for. The wicker material can be wiped down with a damp cloth to remove dust or spills, while the removable cushions can be laundered according to the care instructions provided. This ease of cleaning is a significant advantage for outdoor furniture, as it helps maintain both hygiene and aesthetic appeal. When arranging these chairs, they can be seamlessly integrated into various outdoor settings, whether clustered around a dining table for a family feast or positioned around a fire pit for a cozy evening. Their lightweight design allows for easy rearrangement, accommodating changes in seating arrangements as needed. In conclusion, the Purple Leaf Patio Dining Chairs set of 4 presents a thoughtful combination of comfort, style, and practicality for outdoor dining experiences. With their modern aesthetic and user-friendly features, these chairs can enhance outdoor environments, making them inviting spaces for friends and family to gather.